Hello, Saeed again, and I'm back with another video from affiliateship.com. So, would you like the possibility of some free set up and forget type traffic to your affiliate links, and you want to build your list? If you do, then set this cool simple site tab plugin on your WordPress site. It only takes a few minutes to set up once, and you can leave it running forever. Okay, so the WordPress plugin is called Simple Site Tab. Okay, it's a WordPress plugin that displays a linkable tab vertically on the left or right side of your website. You can set it, you can place it on the left or right. Even when your visitors scroll up and down, it stays visible all the time. Okay, you can link it to any website or web page, which means you can use it to send visitors to any of your affiliate links. What I like about this site tab is that it's visible all the time, and it works on mobile devices also, and doesn't distract or get in the way. It's on the side and doesn't get in the way, but yet it's still visible, okay, to the eye. And as you're web browsing, it scrolls, as I said, with you up and up and down, and you can place it on either side of your web pages. You can also customize the color and the fonts to make it look nice and to your own preferences and to match your website as well. For example, as you can see in this image here, my website affiliateship.com, I've placed it on the right side of the screen with a blue link tab, linking to my affiliate resources. So let's look at how to add this simple site tab on your WordPress site. Okay, so as I said, it's a free plugin. But you must have WordPress installed on your website. Okay, if you do not have WordPress, it's going to be difficult. Of course you can't, but if you have WordPress, then you could certainly download it. Okay, so if you haven't got a website or a WordPress site, then you really need to have a website if you're serious about affiliate marketing. Okay, and I've put a link to the an article that I've written on the importance of having your own website if you're an affiliate. Okay, why you must have a website, and the benefits, of course, of having your own website, i.e. your home on the internet. Okay, I'll put a link in the description. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, that's if you do not have a website. Okay, I'll give you some tips on why you should have a website. Okay, so first of all, from your WordPress dashboard, you go to plugins, add new, and in this search you type in Simple Site Tab, okay, from a gentleman named Scott Roomery. Okay, and then as the probably the creator of the WordPress plugin, and then you click Install Now, and now you're ready to set up it once, and then you can forget about it and it will be running for you. Okay, so let's now go to the settings. So once you go to the settings, once you install it, you go to plugins, then look for the Simple Site Tab settings. On this page, once it loads up, as you can see here, you can set it up with your affiliate link or any web link and customize it to the appearance of it to your liking. Okay, so as you can see here, you can set the title, you can set the font, you can bold it, you can shadow it, you can set the link to open a new window, left, right, positioning, the pixels on the web page, and of course your link here. Colors you can set as well to match your website if you want, or any other high converting color if you like, so that people can click on it. Yeah, so it's got quite a few features that you can customize to. Okay, so the best type of link to add in this site tab. So regarding what sort of link to put on this site tab, me personally, I'd put a link to a funnel that will build your email list, and promote an affiliate offer at the same time. Okay, and that's exactly what I've done. For example, you can link it to a free lead magnet or a landing page that will build your email list, and then once they've subscribed, you can strategically present your affiliate offers on the thank you page, or through email marketing. Okay, follow-up emails. So I've used it, as I said, to link it to my free affiliate success resources landing page, where my visitors can sign up for my affiliate success resources, and also have some optional affiliate offers after they've subscribed, which will enhance and provide additional value to my visitors. Okay, So once you've set up, you can forget about it, and it doesn't require any further maintenance from you, and can potentially generate some free passive hands-free traffic and leads and sales for you 24/7, 365 days a year. Okay, so it's a fantastic plugin to have. It sits on the side. You can check it out if you want. Okay, so I'll put a link to this article with instructions on how you can get on with this one underneath the YouTube description. Okay, so that's it for now, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you'd like some free affiliate success resources, visit affiliateship.com/free. Thanks for watching, and see you later.